Hey, Kristina here in Maker Exchange at the Corona Public Library, bringing you another episode for video editing. Today, we are going to be working on episode 10, Video, Photo Album, or Scrapbook. If you're like me, you probably have a bunch of photos and videos on your phone, inside albums, as well as in closets, maybe underneath the bed in a box. So this is an idea to have a lot of fun and create a virtual version of your photos. This way you can share it on your social media, as well as you can even create a CD and mail it out, and just share your photos and your videos with your family and friends. So the first thing we want to do is figure out what kind of photo album do we want to create. Do we want it simple and fun, or do we want it to be traditional? Here is a few ideas of what direction you want to go. You can do one specifically just for birthdays or Christmas and travel, or you can actually broaden it to be somebody's specific life, or maybe your life, or the entire family. So there's a lot of different directions you can go, and also you can make multiple. So that's the fun part about this whole project. So now that we know what we want to do, we can actually go ahead and collect all those photos from our phones, from our computers and tablets, as well as all of the physical photos, including from our photo albums. But we do want to try whenever possible to scan in the photos, or we're just going to angle it so that we don't have a glare. Next, we're going to upload everything to Creative Cloud. This way we have access to all of our photos and our videos, regardless of which device we're working on. So this way you can work on your phone, your tablet, as well as on the desktop and on any desktop, if in case you want to work on your project at the library. And now is for the fun part, where we get to use all the tools through Adobe Rush as well as online to add elements to our photos and to our videos. A lot of people are very familiar with Canva, but there are so many other options out there now, about a dozen that I have found. Some that I like are Krilo as well as Pixlr, but there are so many other options. But you can actually add a lot of fun to your photos by using them first and then uploading them to Canva. So here I have a picture of my Great Dane when I was a little girl, when we left the house, and she jumped into the window, and it just looked like she wanted us to come back. So I added text, I added an arrow, and I added a little thought bubble just to create another element to that photo and to bring that story to life. Next, we get to create the new project in Adobe Rush. And then we're going to be clicking and adding in all of the photos and the videos to that particular project so that we can get started. Once we have it all uploaded and ready to go, arrange the photos to your liking and then do a quick scrub through to see if you like it, and then edit from there. Even in Adobe Rush, you can actually do collages just like this. We can't tweak the photos from side to side, but we can layer. But remember, we only have 3 visuals. And don't forget about the pan and zoom. It can create a lot of impact with our photos. And even when we do the collage, it will still do pan and zoom. So here are a few ideas of how you can create a virtual photo album, which is right on time for the holidays. And if you have any questions or need any help, be sure to leave a comment down below.